there can be a challenge sometimes to inform other people about the research that you've done who aren't familiar with science. Are there ways that you've presented data that has helped people to understand the science better?
Yes, well, just presenting a huge table with lots and lots of numbers is not going to mean very much to people that are not scientists. So you have to think about ways to represent that data and present it to a target audience that make it easy for them to understand. So some of the ways of doing that, rather than having a huge data set in an enormous table, is to have summary data, or perhaps to graph some of that data, some of the more important aspects. So maybe some of the most abundant groups of invertebrates that you found. One of the student teams created graphs where they had a small image of the most abundant of the invertebrates. So it was easy for people to see exactly what they were talking about, rather than thinking, oh yes, well that's a really long and complicated name and I've got no idea what it is. And to use common names too, that makes it more accessible to people, because you want people to make use of and understand what you're talking about, rather than sitting there and thinking, well, this is all very well, but what are we going to do with it? So you have to try and convey how important it is to know what's there so that they can manage the environment better.